Hi, I'm Matt with Coastal Compass Travel Company, and today we're going to be taking you to the all-new Sandals Dunn's River Resort to take a tour of one of the Tufa swim-up one-bedroom Butler suites that comes with a soaking tub on the patio. So this Tufa room is going to be on the first story, and it's in the Tufa 1 building. The only difference between the Tufa buildings, I'm told, is in the couch area, which we'll show you in a minute. And the first story has a swim-up pool, and the second stories and up have the infinity pool attached to the balcony. So you can see this is a huge bathroom. The shower has 3 heads. You have the rain head, the regular head, and then the one that detaches from the wall. Couple of sinks, huge bathtub, private toilet area. And I love this walk-in closet space. You have the slippers and the robe, of course, for the whole week, and a safe and whatever, like ton of space for you to put your stuff. The liquor cabinet's right here, and if you have Butler or concierge, they'll restock that for you daily. And then the refrigerator with your juices and Cokes and whatnot and waters is all going to be down here. And then as you go into the bedroom, you have the king-size bed, a couple lamps on the side you can turn off and on for reading. And they actually have this nifty desk area at the side. So if you have to do some work or get anything done, that's a cool little spot for you. Here's the seating area. Now in the first Tufa building, I'm told this is an L-shaped couch that all the rooms have. In the other Tufa building, it's more like a day bed that lays out for 2 people. As you go out onto the patio, as you'll see on the right, you have a soaker tub that's pretty big for 2 people. And then you have curtains you can kind of pull across the whole patio area if you want some privacy. I really loved the private pool area. You have 2 mats and then 2 reclining chairs that you can sit in. I loved that because if you can't get a spot by the pool any particular day, you have your own little private pool area you can get drinks and read on over here. And they had a few chairs, a few places to put your towels, and that is the Tufa room. Now that we've seen the room, I want to take about 10 to 15 seconds just to tell you about 2 services from Coastal Compass that are available to you whether you've booked your room or not. We specialize in trips to the Caribbean, and we know that it can be so hard to make a perfect experience because there's so many options and you don't know which one to select. We've partnered with brands like Royal Caribbean and Sandals to make sure that we can help you find the best experience. You can go to cctravelcompany.com and select Contact Us and we'll reach out. Our services are totally free. And if you're coming here because you've already booked your room and you just want to check it out, that's cool too. We have a free concierge service available for you. If you've booked with Sandals in the last 14 days, you can name me as your agent and I will take care of all the concierge services for you. I'll give you tips and tricks for navigating the resort, making dining experiences great, and helping you select the best excursions for your stay there. I'll also, you'll have 24/7 access to me via text and calling, so you don't have to deal with any more Sandals call centers. I'll take care of all the details for you. You can go to my website, to the link below, cctravelcompany.com/free concierge, and I'll reach out to you.